Porch Makeover explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and context of the phrase, porch makeover. This is a commonly used term, especially in home improvement and lifestyle discussions. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly entails. Porch makeover refers to the process of renovating, decorating, or revamping a porch. A porch is an external area of a house, often used as a seating area or space to welcome guests. The makeover can include various activities like painting, adding furniture, decorating with plants, or even restructuring. People undertake porch makeovers for several reasons. The primary one is to enhance the aesthetic appeal of their home. A well-designed porch can add to the overall beauty and charm of a house. Additionally, it can be about utilizing space more effectively or creating a comfortable outdoor area for relaxation and socializing. Several elements can be involved in a porch makeover. This includes furniture, choosing chairs, tables, or swings suitable for outdoor use. Color scheme, picking colors that complement the house and create a welcoming atmosphere. Decorations, adding elements like cushions, rugs, or artwork. Plants, incorporating greenery for a natural touch. Lighting, installing lights for ambiance and functionality. Here are some practical tips. 1. Plan your budget. Decide how much you want to spend. 2. Choose a theme, whether it's modern, rustic, or eclectic. 3. Consider the weather. Select materials and furniture that can withstand local weather conditions. 4. DIY versus professional help. Decide if you want to do it yourself or hire professionals. I hope this video helps you understand what a porch makeover is and inspires you to transform your own porch. Remember, it's all about creativity and making a space that reflects your personal style. Happy decorating, and see you in the next video.